Hello guys, welcome to the educatioal show. Today is 25th of November and tomorrow is expiry. This is the weekly expiry as well as the monthly expiry. So I am going to tell you the expiry strategy in options. So what you can do. So okay. So if for example this Nifty opens at around 12,900, so we are going to make a straddle. Okay, it will be a short straddle. So Nifty, and we'll select okay options 26th of November, and for example Nifty opens, so we'll see for 10-15 minutes, we'll see, and we'll wait for the Nifty to settle down, for Bank Nifty to settle down. So you can try the strategy in both Nifty or Bank Nifty. So it will be same 12,900. For example, it opens and settles at around 12,900. So we'll sell the call option, sell one lot. Option price should be around it should be around 50 rupees. So at position, then the put option, again sell, and price should be around 50 rupees at position. So this we are showing with one lot. So we have sold one lot of a Nifty, put at the money, and call at the money. So okay, this is probability of profit is 40%. Maximum profit will be 7,000. Loss is undefined, so we'll be putting a stop loss. See, it is maximum loss is undefined, so we will place a stop loss. And break evens are so because the total is 100, so we have if Nifty moves 100 points either way, so we are safe. We have sold 12,900 call and put, so 100 points down, 12,800, 100 points up, that is 13,000. We are safe. So this is our break even points. And okay, so this is the strategy, and we'll be putting a stop loss of 100. Stop loss will be 100 for both call option and put option, and we will exit the position at 12 o'clock. You can see the strategy we had discussed for the last expiry, and we made a good profit in the last week as well. So we will exit the position at around 12. We will not carry the position. If you want to carry the position, that is your own risk appetite. That is upon your own risk appetite, how much risk you can take. But I would not advise you to carry the position after 12 o'clock. So 9:30 we create the position, and 12 o'clock we exit the position. And this strategy works well. And just for your information, no strategy is 100% perfect. No strategy is 100% perfect. So it works most of the time if you are applying the same strategy. So 5-6 times you're making profit, one time you're making losses, still you are in profit. So this strategy is good, works fine, because the market remains sideways, most of the time sideways till 12 o'clock. So you can, from both sides, you can eat premium. Thank you very much for watching the show. Stay tuned with the channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.